Okay, we got our head sanded down here. We got the back piece made up. So now we're going to put these side pieces on, and I sanded this down here so it fits okay. You can do it after you glue it or before you glue it. I prefer before I glue it because I get a better fit that way. I've tapered this down here for the neck. So we marked where it goes. So we're going to glue this piece on.
I hope his wife's name was Dorothy. What?
Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Get any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
Means a pizza of age, which means basically you could get a pizza and you didn't have to pay for it for 8 days. Oh, gosh. Pretty cool, huh?
Sounds like the Popeye thing.
Yeah. I will gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today.
Right.
I'm glad they didn't have pizza Otto in Columbia, Missouri when I was in college. I would have been in the rears. Yeah. I would have gotten my legs broken over some pizza. Greg Warren, you know what today is? What's that? Day number 9. It's not pizza, it's Otto, not the pizza that no name, huh? Hey, which limb is the most useful in a wrestling match? Sounds like DeMarco, right? Okay. I took a couple of liberties.
We'll get this set, and we'll let it set up real good, and then we'll glue the other side on.
This is the sort of the legend about pizza and Neapolitan pizza. So there was
You want to make sure you got it where you need it before you clamp it on all the way.
And Queen Margarita visited Naples, and Queen Margarita was sick of eating like French gourmet food. You only have so much butter, I guess. And she commissioned this place, Pizzeria Brandy. They said, hey, she said, make me a bunch of pizzas. I want to see what I like. And she liked the pizza. Exactly. She liked the pizza that had basil, mozzarella, and tomatoes on it, which is red, green, and white, which is the Italian flag. And that is how we have margarita pizza today.
Wow.
I've always wondered why it was called margarita.
We'll let this set aside, let it set up for a couple hours, and then we can glue the other side on. Thanks for watching.